This guy makes $3,400,000 profit just hauling rocks around Minnesota. But here's what makes this trucking operation a gold mine most people never see coming. We're talking about a 20-year industry powerhouse generating over $31 million in annual revenue. This isn't some small-time operation. They've got 60 trucks, 90 trailers, and contracts with the Department of Transportation, Army Corps of Engineers, and major municipalities. While everyone's chasing the next tech startup, this company has been quietly hauling millions of tons of aggregate, building the infrastructure that keeps America running. The best part? It's completely turnkey. The fleet is meticulously maintained, the contracts are locked in, and the demand never stops. Sometimes the most boring businesses are the most profitable ones. Call WL Laney at 602-684-7170.